For years, Apple has been playing a very deliberate, high-stakes game of incremental improvements. A slightly brighter screen here, a tiny camera ring shift there, a subtle speed boost that barely registers in daily use. But behind the scenes at Apple Park, engineers have quietly been preparing for a singular threshold, a hardware boundary line that changes the core dynamic of what a mobile device can physically achieve. That tipping point arrives with the iPhone 18 Pro Max. If you are holding onto an older Pro model, or if you were waiting to see whether Apple's multi-billion-dollar silicon and engineering pivots would actually yield a generational leap, what is coming next will completely rewrite your expectations of personal technology. At the absolute foundation of this massive evolution sits a manufacturing breakthrough that the tech industry has spent the better part of a decade trying to execute. Inside the iPhone 18 Pro Max beats the A20 Pro processor, built on TSMC's groundbreaking 2nm process node. To put that in perspective, the leap from 3nm to 2nm is not just a minor refresh, it represents a fundamental shift in physics. By packing billions more transistors onto a single sliver of silicon, Apple is unlocking up to 15% faster compute speed while reducing energy draw by nearly 30% compared to previous iterations. But raw speed is only half the story. The real secret weapon of the A20 Pro is Apple's adoption of wafer-level multi-chip module packaging. Instead of relying on traditional memory layouts that force data to travel long distances across a board, this advanced architecture integrates system memory, graphics compute, and the neural engine into a tightly stacked matrix. Latency effectively vanishes. On-device artificial intelligence model execution becomes immediate, processing multimodal requests, generative rendering, and live environmental computer vision locally on your device without hitting cloud servers or draining your battery. Now look at the front of the device, because for the first time since the introduction of the dynamic island, the visual landscape of the iPhone screen is taking a dramatic turn. Apple has finally succeeded in pushing critical components of the Face ID infrared sensor array directly beneath the active OLED display panel. By hiding the flood illuminator and dot projector beneath microscopic light-transmitting display pixels, the visible pill-shaped cutout shrinks to its smallest footprint in history. You get a dramatically expanded, unobstructed canvas across the massive 6.9-inch panel. Watching high-frame-rate HDR media, playing immersive spatial games, or editing full-resolution video timeline controls feels seamless, giving you an almost edge-to-edge window of pure light. Speaking of the display, the panel technology itself is undergoing a major evolution to LTPO+. Backed by an ultra-efficient backplane driver, the display can dynamically scale its refresh rate down to a fraction of a single hertz for always-on modes, while peaking at unprecedented brightness levels when exposed to harsh direct sunlight. Whether you are standing outdoors in blinding midday sun or reading in a pitch-black room, the display calibrates its color volume and luminance with micro-level precision, offering buttery-smooth response times while consuming significantly less power than any panel Apple has shipped before. Turn the device over, and you will notice a complete revolution in smartphone optics. For years, mobile cameras relied almost entirely on software computation to simulate natural background blur and control lighting. The iPhone 18 Pro Max breaks that mold by introducing a physical variable aperture mechanism to its primary 48-megapixel fusion camera system. For photographers and filmmakers, this is a monumental shift. The lens blades physically open and close in real time, shifting between wide apertures for ultra-clean low-light capture in physical, optically accurate shallow depth of field, or stopping down for razor-sharp landscape shots where every plane of the frame is in perfect focus. You no longer have to depend on digital edge detection artifacts to isolate a portrait subject, the physics of the glass and light handle it naturally. Complementing this mechanical lens upgrade is a newly developed 3-layer stacked image sensor engineered in close collaboration with advanced semiconductor fabricators. By isolating the photodiode layer from the processing circuit board, the sensor dramatically expands dynamic range, eliminating blown-out highlights in harsh high-contrast conditions while preserving rich shadow details free of digital noise. Combined with an upgraded telephoto optical design offering extended lossless zoom capabilities and enhanced sensor shift stabilization, the camera housing becomes a full-fledged cinematic production rig that fits into your pocket. To support all of this staggering processing power and camera hardware, Apple addresses one of the most critical demands of power users: thermals and battery endurance. Inside the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple has integrated a custom vapor chamber cooling system designed to wick heat away from the A20 Pro chip and distribute it evenly across the chassis. This means continuous, sustained high-performance gaming, heavy 4K ProRes video recording, and prolonged artificial intelligence processing without thermal throttling or performance drop-offs. This thermal optimization allows Apple to squeeze in a massive battery upgrade, pushing battery capacity past the 5,200 mAh mark, with eSIM-only models reaching even higher capacities, and pairing it with the hyper-efficient 2nm silicon layout. The iPhone 18 Pro Max achieves multi-day battery life on standard usage and easily powers through the most brutal heavy workload days without needing a top-up. When you do plug in, enhanced fast-charging protocols push power into the cell safely and rapidly, getting you back to full strength in a fraction of the time. Connectivity sees an equally profound transformation with the debut of Apple's next-generation in-house cellular modem, the C2 chip. Moving away from third-party solutions allows Apple to deeply integrate cellular performance directly into the iOS kernel and silicon architecture. The C2 modem not only optimizes signal acquisition in rural or heavily congested urban environments, but it also takes power efficiency to an entirely new level, cutting down battery drain during heavy data transfers. Even more impressive is the expansion of non-terrestrial satellite communication. Building on basic emergency text messaging via satellite, the iPhone 18 Pro Max integrates full 5G satellite data connectivity options. This means that even when you are far off the grid deep in the backcountry, out on the ocean, or traveling through dead zones, your phone can maintain low-bandwidth internet connectivity, load maps, send rich media messages, and keep key data services alive directly through satellite arrays overhead. The external chassis matching this technology is crafted using a newly refined aluminum and titanium refining process that utilizes advanced microsurface treatments. This creates an alloy structure with dramatically increased scratch resistance, drop protection, and structural integrity, while resisting fingerprints and frame discoloration over time. Available in striking, rich finishes like deep dark cherry and refined deep blues, the phone exudes a stealthy, high-end industrial aesthetic that feels both indestructible and refined in the hand. When you look at the entire picture, the world's first 2nm processor, a physical variable aperture camera system, under-display Face ID integration, satellite data connectivity, and unprecedented battery endurance, it becomes undeniable. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not an incremental iteration. It is the culmination of years of quiet, aggressive engineering designed to set the pace of the mobile technology landscape for the next decade.